Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to work with a relational operator in Java. So what is a relational operator? They are used to check the conditional relationship between two variables or operands. These are the signs that we will use as a relational operator in Java programming language. So let's code it and give the class name relational operator and named as a class name here, and create main method and then initialize two variables. Let's say a equals to 5 and b equals to 6. First we will see equal to relational operator. It will check if the given variable is equal to or not. Let's say if a equal to b, and it returns the boolean value. Actually it checks whether the value of a equal to b or not. If it's b, it returns true. If it is not equal to, then it returns false. Let's print it out. If the condition is false, it goes to else part. Let's print it out. See, values are not equal. Here we can see values are not equal. So in similar way, we can check another condition that is not equal to. We can check this condition in a similar way. Using this sign, we can check whether the given value are equal to or not. Let's assign the value variable a here and b here. So it will check if the condition is true. If the condition is true, then it will print this part, and then if condition is false, then this will print this part. Let's say a is not equal to b. Given values are not equal to. Equal to. Let's comment it out and let's run it. See, the given values are not equal to. It means it printed this part. It means the condition is true. If the condition is false, this will print this part. Let's make here b also 5. Save it and run it. See, the given values are equal to. It means now this part is being executed. It means this condition is returning false. Similarly, we can check other condition also. If a is greater than b, so if a is greater than b, if the condition is true, this part will run. Then if condition is not true, then this part will run. Let's say up here a is greater than b, and here b is greater than a. Before running it, let's change the value of a to 6 and run it. See, a is greater than b. Here also we can see that value of a is greater than b, which means this condition is true. That's why this part is being executed. Similarly, we can check less than. We can do less than. We use less than. Similarly, we can use less than operator. A is less than b, else b is less than a. Let's comment it out and run it again. Say b is less than a. Here also you can see the value of b is 5 and the value of a is 6. That's why it is printing b is less than a. It checks the condition whether the a is smaller than b or not. But in this condition, it returns false because the value of a is greater than b. That's why this part is being executed here. Similar way, in a similar way, we can use greater than equal to condition. Relational operator also. To check whether the condition is greater than equal to, we use greater than equal to sign here. Let's say a is greater than equal to b. And else, if the condition is false, this part will be printed out. If the condition is true, this part will be printed out. So let's print it here. A is greater than b or equal to b. And if the condition is false, a is not greater than or equal to b. So let's comment it out here and run it. So we can see a is greater than b or equal to b. Condition true. Here we have assigned value of a is 6 and value of b is 5. If the value of a is greater than b, it means it is greater than b. Here we have assigned, and that's why it is printing a is greater than b or equal to b. If we do here for make it 4, then let's run it. This part should be executed. See, a is not greater than or equal to b. In this way we can use greater than equal to, and similar way we can use less than equal to sign also. Less than equal to sign. Let's say here a and here b. If the condition is true, this part will be executed. If the condition is false, again this part will be executed. So let's check it. Let's print here a is less than or equal to b. Capital A. And a is not less than or equal to b. Let's comment it out and print this syntax only. Let's see a is less than or equal to b, which means condition true. That's why this part is being executed. In this way we can work with relational operator. So thank you so much for watching. If there is anything needed to be improved, please comment it out and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.